Alright, today we're going to make two positions, and then I'm going to show you how to test them, and then we're going to delete them. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is, I'm in my program. I'm going to, when you're in your program that you made last video, you're going to have a point spot. So for instance, if I want to make where my robot is now, the first position, I'm going to hold down Shift, and then I'm going to hit point, and then it makes that where the robot is currently my first position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jog my robot over so it does something different here. Let's go this way. Let's jog right over here. I'm going to stop. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit Shift, point, and it gives me my second position. Now, once I've made these two positions, I'm going to want to make sure they're correct, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the dead man switch, and then I'm going to hit the Shift button, and then the forward button, and then let go of it. It should go through the program that you have. I've tested a couple of times. There. Alright. Now that we've tested the program, I want to delete one of these points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here on my menu, hit the over button, and you're going to see EDCMD, which is Edit Command. I'm going to click it, and it brings me into another little menu here. So bring it in there. And one of the buttons I can click is delete, so I'm going to go down to delete using the cursor, and then I'm going to hit. I can either tap on the screen or I can use the numpad and hit 2. Now it's asking me delete lines. I can now use my cursor button to go between the two lines I have here. I can select the lines I want, and then I can say yes, I would like to delete these two lines by hitting yes. And it deletes lines for me. So that's how you can go through here, make positions, test your positions, and if you want, you can delete your positions to go back.